Give us this day our daily bread. And today, our daily bread comes from Ephesians chapter 5, verse 8. For once you were full of darkness, but now you have light from the Lord. So live as people of light. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm V, and I'm here to give you simple and affordable recipe ideas that the whole family can enjoy. Today, we're making cheesy enchiladas. Let's get into it. So, friendly reminder, we always want to start by washing our hands before we cook, especially before and after we handle any kind of raw meat. I've already cut up a package of chicken breasts, and I'm giving those a good thorough rinse. So as you can see now, I'm placing my clean chicken breast on this board so that I can season them. I'm using seasonal, black pepper, garlic salt, onion powder, smoked paprika, and chili powder. Once your chicken is fully seasoned, you'll put those in a baking pan and you'll cover it with foil. You're going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. While those are cooking, we'll get started on our tortillas. I've oiled my griddle at 350 degrees using olive oil. I'm using yellow corn tortillas for this recipe. Now you want to coat both sides of your corn tortillas with the oil as you see me doing here. Let them cook for about 3 seconds on both sides. Remove them from the heat and place them to the side. Once the chicken is done, let it rest and then cut the chicken into small pieces as you see me do here. Now we're going to add our red enchilada sauce. I'm adding half a can here. Fold that in well. I'm using a spray-on oil to lightly grease my sheet pan. You can use whatever oil you have on hand, just grease the sheet pan lightly. Place your cooked corn tortillas on your pan, and now it's time to fill them with your meat filling. If you want, you could throw a little cheese on here too. Once your tortillas are filled, you want to simply roll your enchiladas to secure the meat as you see me doing here. Use the rest of your enchilada sauce to top your enchiladas. You can be as generous as you want here. Now it's time to top your enchiladas with cheese. I'm using shredded mozzarella cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you prefer. What kind of cheese do you like on your enchiladas? Let me know in the comments. Pop those in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, you and your family can enjoy easy, cheesy enchiladas. Like a little spice? Check out my easy pickled jalapeno recipe in the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, the most important ingredient for any recipe is love. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.